Welcome to All-Tech-Tutor-Pro, where we explore the best tools and tips for creators. Today, we're diving into the best AI tools for music production that are changing the game. First up, we have AIVA, an AI composer. Whether you need original melodies or full orchestral scores, AIVA uses AI to create professional-grade music in minutes. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. Next, let's talk about LANDR. Known for its AI mastering, LANDR ensures your tracks are polished and ready for streaming. It also provides instant feedback and music distribution features. Looking to generate beats? Try Boomy. This tool lets you create custom tracks in seconds, even if you have zero experience. Create, edit, and share with just a few clicks. For vocal processing, check out iZotope's Neutron Ozone. These AI-powered plugins help you mix and master vocals effortlessly, ensuring your track sounds radio-ready. These AI tools are revolutionizing music production, making it more accessible and creative than ever before. Explore them and take your music to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and tutorials. See you in the next video.